Hi, I'm Joy Waldinger, and I'm a practicing artist and an art education student. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a braided woven headband with an old t-shirt. So the materials for this project are a ruler, a hot glue gun, scissors, tape, sewing needle and thread, an old hair tie, and chalk. So first things first is we're going to take our shirt and our ruler and we're going to measure horizontally over the shirt to about 14 inches. And we're going to use the chalk and draw 7 different lines so that we can have 6 different strips of fabric. So we're going to cut the fabric and then we're going to cut the loops that we've made with that fabric, and then we're going to braid the pieces of fabric together. So we're going to do a simple traditional braid with 2 pieces doubled, and we're going to braid them together. For the braiding process, you're going to want to use a piece of tape. I'm using painter's tape because it's sturdy but also easy to come off. So we're going to braid our braid, and then we're going to measure it until it's about 15 or 16 inches, and then we're going to cut the excess fabric, if there is excess fabric. Then, once that is completed, we're going to use a little bit of string to tie off both ends of our braid. Then we're going to take our hair tie and cut our hair tie in half, and we're going to insert into the excess fabric in the braid and hot glue and sew so that it's sturdy. Then, once that's all finished, we're going to create a flower. We're going to make a fabric flower out of the excess material of our shirt by cutting a 3 by 4 inch piece of fabric, a 2 by 5 inch piece of fabric, and a 1 inch by 1 inch circle. So we're going to take the 2 inch by 5 inch fabric, fold it in half, and fringe the top so that it looks like a flower. We're going to use the 3 by 4 inch piece and twist it into itself, and then wrap around the 2 by 5 inch fringed piece of fabric. Then we're going to place it on top of our braid, add a piece of hot glue, and then we're going to use our circle fabric behind it so that it holds it in place. We're going to use hot glue, and we're also going to sew so that it's sturdy. So there you have it, your very own braided woven headband. And this has been Joy Waldinger. Thank you for watching and have a great day.